I have a new script to show you, this time for Illustrator. This one is a user request and a comment for my Adobe Script tutorial series. They wanted to export PDFs with passwords, I presume of images, but Photoshop couldn't really do it. However, Illustrator can do it fine, and it can open images. So I've created the script PDFs with passwords. I'll demonstrate the script in Mac OS. It works the same on Windows. You don't need anything open in Illustrator. To run the script, go to the File menu, Scripts. I already have the script installed in Illustrator. For help adding scripts to Illustrator, see the link in the description for another video that shows the steps. Select PDFs with password. Input and output are the folders for each. Click the Folder button and navigate to each desired folder. In the Options section, select a PDF preset to use. And finally, enter the password you want applied to the PDFs. This will be required to open the PDFs. Click OK to begin. Each file in the input folder is opened and saved to the output folder as a PDF. The input files don't have to be Illustrator files. They can be, but the script also opens images, because Illustrator can open images. When done, the user is notified. Let's see the result in Bridge. Not much to see, because password-protected PDFs don't allow a thumbnail view. We don't even get to see what it looks like. Open one, and we're prompted for the password. And there it is. This one was an image, so all Illustrator did was place it on an artboard the same size and export the PDF. Let's run the script again, a little different this time. Same input and output, but use a PDF preset that reduces the resolution. And leave the password blank. It still works, only without a password, the PDFs are not secured. So the script can also be used to make PDFs of images, high or low res, and without a password. Now in Bridge, we get thumbnails, because the PDFs are not secured. The script code is open source, with comments detailing the security settings that are possible. For those interested, have a look and modify to suit your needs. For example, suppose you want to allow opening PDFs, but prevent printing or copying. In the security settings, disable Require Document Password, and comment the line for Document Password to disable it. Then in the section after the important note, enable Require Permission Password, and uncomment the line for Permission Password to enable it. These changes allow opening the PDF, but restrict what can be done with it. Those are the next changes. First is printing. Default is to allow. To restrict printing, enable the line Print 128 None. Next is whether changes are allowed. Enable the line Change 128 None. And whether text may be copied. Set Enable Copy to False, and copying text is not allowed. The option Enable Access also controls copying. I'm going to save the script with a new name. PDFs No Print or Edit .jsx. Install the new script in Illustrator and give it a try. Open one of the PDFs. There is no prompt for a password, so anyone can view the PDF. However, it is not possible to print it or copy the image. See here in Document Properties, Security tab. Nothing is allowed. The script saves a separate PDF for each input file. To have all in a single PDF file, Use Acrobat to combine the PDFs. However, be sure in the script to leave the password input blank. Otherwise, you have to enter the password for every PDF as they are combined. Save yourself the headache and leave the password blank. Then combine the PDFs in Acrobat and set a password once. In Acrobat, go to the File menu, Create, and select Combine Files into a single PDF. Windows users may also select the PDFs in File Explorer. Right-click and choose Combine Files in Acrobat. Then set the security options and password. Go to the File menu, Properties, and select the Security tab. Change the security method to Password Security. In the dialog window that opens, set the security options and password as desired, which are then enforced once the PDF is saved. Subscribe so you're notified of upcoming videos, and like this one if you found it helpful. Any problem with the script or ideas for others, leave a comment. That's where this script came from. All suggestions are welcome. Thank you for watching. We'll do it again soon.